Hi, it's Tuesday, August 25th, and it's day 15. First of all, as you can see, I can in fact drive. I just absolutely hate it, so I don't do it often. But this is just to show that I can. And also, I am driving, and I'd rather be a safe driver than to just look at the camera all the time. So I'm not going to be actually looking at the camera, because I'd rather not die. Second of all, remember how he said I was going to do math last night? I tried, and I failed because the whole assignment is utter bull. It was infuriating. Matt has his degree in math, and he agreed with me that the assignment was, like, way beyond any rational human being should actually be practicing. And, like, I'm just really mad that my degree in web design is contingent on being able to calculate abstract interest rates when I know for a fact that there are JavaScript calculators out there. And the big thing about them being JavaScript calculators is that I can use them on my phone. So, why do I have to do that? So, I hate math is the moral of the story, and I hate math class, which is the other moral of the story. In other news, we're at the bridge, and apparently it's going to be, we hear that it's going to be open on Thursday. So, also, you may have noticed that I actually decided to bring, my mom is filming currently. I'm keeping both hands on the wheel. She's waving behind the camera, you can't see. I'm bringing the date back because I felt like it was really awkward to just start without it. So that was a very short-lived experiment, but now I know. I know you know. We're catching an earlier train now, and I'm utterly miserable at that fact of waking up even earlier. But that's life. Basically what I want to do is show off that I can in fact drive. That's a limo over there. I'm currently taking a quick break from class. We had a quiz in programming logic, and good lord, that was brutal. I do like how in code, if I'm not sure if I'm right, I can actually test. So I feel like I've handed in correct code. God, it was hard to figure out what was right and how to do it. But I did it, and that's what matters. Also cheese stick. So that was my class, that was my day. Woo. So I think I mentioned JavaScript calculators. So I realized that I'm actually probably allowed to use calculators online that calculate more esoteric things like interest and fractions. And all this fun stuff that I can't do in my head, I'm going to have done in a normal real-world environment. So I'm going to try that when I'm awake and not like utterly sleep-deprived. And I'm going to see if that works and helps me get through math, because if it does, then that's good, because I'll be able to actually graduate on time. So color theory was fun, because I didn't actually realize that my homework was in fact due. But no one else did it, so I was able to just do it in class alongside everyone else. Our homework for next week seems to be kind of like making a brochure-y thing, I think. But like relating to colors that a foreign country uses. And so obviously I'm gonna go hardcore weeb and go Japan, but like not really weeb, because a lot of real Japan has very interestingly like muted pastel, if that makes any sense. Low chroma pastels. Until then, see you next time.